Jungle animals.
Sloth.
Sloth, a mammal that moves slowly and lives in trees.
Giraffe.
Giraffe, a large African animal with a very long neck and long legs. Elephant.
Elephant, a very large gray mammal that has a long nose.
Piranha.
Piranha, a dangerous fish, has sharp teeth and eats meat. Rhino. Rhino, a very large, thick-skinned animal that has 1 or 2 horns on its nose.
Tapir.
Tapir, an animal with hoofs and long nose.
Crocodile.
Crocodile, a large reptile with a hard skin. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus, a very large animal with dark gray skin. Gorilla. Gorilla, a large ape. Toucan. Toucan, a bird that has a brightly colored beak. Monkey. Monkey, an animal has a long tail and climbs trees. Tiger. Tiger, a large wild animal.
Jaguar.
Jaguar, large wild animal of the cat family. Red ibis. Red ibis, a large bird with long legs.
Tarantula.
Tarantula, large spiders covered in hair. Anaconda. Anaconda, large snake. Anteater. Anteater, a mammal that eats ants.
Iguana.
Iguana, a large green lizard.
Bat.
Bat, a small animal like a mouse with wings.
Parrot.
Parrot, a tropical bird.
Chameleon.
Chameleon, a lizard that changes skin color.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.